In the heart of the Middle East, where architectural marvels touch the sky and innovation drives progress, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is pioneering the future of infrastructure development with cutting-edge 3D laser scanning services. This groundbreaking technology is transforming the way Dubai's visionary projects come to life, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency in the realm of design and construction. Imagine capturing millions of data points in mere minutes, creating a digital twin of any physical space with millimeter-level accuracy. That's the magic of 3D laser scanning, and it's reshaping industries across the Emirate. From the towering skyscrapers of downtown Dubai to the intricate networks of transportation hubs, this technology is becoming an indispensable tool for architects, engineers, and urban planners alike. The benefits of 3D laser scanning are truly transformative: unmatched accuracy, say goodbye to measurement errors and costly rework. Laser scanning provides a level of detail that traditional surveying methods simply can't match. Time efficiency: what once took weeks can now be accomplished in days or even hours. This rapid data collection accelerates project timelines and reduces on-site disruptions. Cost-effective solutions: by identifying potential issues early in the design phase, laser scanning helps prevent expensive modifications during construction. Enhanced safety: minimize the need for manual measurements in hazardous areas, keeping workers out of harm's way. Preservation and restoration: for Dubai's historic districts, laser scanning offers a non-invasive way to document and preserve architectural heritage. Scon Design India's expertise in this field is particularly valuable in Dubai's dynamic construction landscape. Their services cater to a wide range of sectors, including real estate development. From concept to completion, 3D scans ensure that every aspect of a building aligns perfectly with the original vision. Infrastructure planning: laser scanning aids in the precise mapping of roads, bridges, and utilities, crucial for Dubai's ambitious urban development projects. Oil and gas industry: in this vital sector, accurate 3D models of complex facilities enhance safety protocols and optimize operational efficiency.